Hands-on learning story time with Miss Veronica. Today's story is Triple Delight Birthday, written by Lynn Spencer and illustrated by me, Veronica Stanley-Hooper.
Hi everybody, my name is Tim. Today is my 7th birthday. I am so excited that I get to pick a new puppy. He is going to be my new best friend. I will feed him and taking him on long walks. Boy, oh boy, I can't wait. Tim, come on so we can get to the SPCA, my dad said. I hurriedly run down the stairs, open the door, and race to the car. My dad gets in and off we go. It seems like it's taking so long to get there. Can't this car drive faster? Finally, we pull up, park, and go inside. We walk past all the cats to the dog section. There are a lot of people looking to adopt puppies. I spotted the perfect one. Dad, he is so cute. This is the one I want, I said to my father. Looking at the sign outside of the cage, he replied, Tim, this one is already taken. Let's find another. I looked to my right, pointing at another dog and said, he's so adorable. No, son, this one is taken too, Dad replied. What about this one, I asked. Dad shook his head no. Then suddenly he glanced around and pointed to another cage. I looked in it and saw a puppy with 3 paws instead of 4. He was very dark, almost black, and mangy. I said, but Dad, he only has 3 legs. He's dark and not too cute. Can't we find another one? Dad turned around and continued looking at the different cages. Most of the signs on the outside of the door said, I'm sold. Oh, wait, Tim, here's one. He's full of energy, too. I walked over to the other side and looked into the cage. This puppy was white and only had hair on the top of his head. No, Dad, he looks like a rat. He's ugly, I exclaimed. I started to cry. My dad grabbed my hand and took me to a nearby bench. Why are you crying, son? He asked. I said, because all of the cute ones are taken and the only 2 left are ugly. I don't want an ugly dog. I want a cute, cuddly dog for my birthday, but I can't find one. Dad said, Tim, do you remember when we moved here from Texas last year and you didn't have any friends? Do you remember coming home crying because the other students made fun of your accent? You said that they laughed because of the way you talked. And then Jacob came up to you and told you that he liked the way you talked because it reminded him of his grandfather's accent. And now he's your best friend. Well, if we take those 2 puppies home, we can love them and make them feel special just the way Jacob made you feel. Just because someone talks or looks different doesn't mean that we treat them differently. Everybody deserves to be loved. The 3-legged one can't help that he was born that way. He can still run and play. And the white one doesn't have a full coat of hair, that's all. He seems fun and delightful. Wiping my tears, I looked back over at them again and said, wait, Dad, did you say we could take 2 puppies home? With a big smile, he said, I sure did. If you show love, it comes back to you double. Excitedly, I replied, well, I guess I could learn how to love their uniqueness, and besides, no one on our block will have dogs like these. With a pat on the head, Dad said, that's my boy. So let's go fill out the paperwork and take them home. What are you going to name them? Looking at them one more time, I said, I'm going to call the dark one Triple because he only has 3 legs. The white one will be called Delight because of his personality. Dad gave me a hug and said, yes, Triple Delight. I like that. So indeed, it was a Triple Delight birthday after all.
For craft time today, you will need copies of the Doggy Dice PDF, 2 copies for each player, scissors, and a 6-sided dice.
joining me for story time today. See you next time. Bye-bye.